So in this video, you'll learn how to unmute an account on Bluesky. So first you have to navigate to the muted accounts list. To do that, you want to open the settings menu. And then under settings, you want to tap on moderation and then select muted accounts. So from here, you should see all the accounts that you've currently muted on Bluesky. To unmute an account, you want to start by selecting it. And then you want to tap on these three dots in the top right corner. And you should see the option unmute account. Tap on it. And then the account will now be unmuted. So any replies, any posts that they have, you should be able to receive notifications from that specific account. If you have any other accounts that you've previously muted, you can just follow through the exact same instructions to unmute them. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.